Still got a slow leak. I never fixed it. I don't know where the leak's coming from, but it holds air for a good week, and then I'll fill it up right now. Tractor is due for, can't see, $50-mile service. We changed some of the fluids, filters, and we'll be good to go. But for today, I'm gonna have to start it up, use it, so I'll get the air compressor going. I have a local guy here that builds feeders. And my transmission, my truck's out, so that's still in the shop. They haven't even started to take the transmission out. So they'll start on that on Wednesday. And so I asked him, he actually came here and bought fruit from me, from us, the citrus. He actually came here and bought some citrus from us and a couple weeks ago. And I recognized his name, and so I figured I'd buy something from him. And since now we have the goats and we have some of them separated, I figured probably should put a better feeder over on the other side, or maybe move this one over. I don't know how big this one's gonna be. It's probably the same size, but he makes them with a steel rebar, some angle iron, and he actually cuts 55-gallon drums in half, and that's what he uses for the bottom part. But that's what we're going to do today. We're going to move one of those over to the other side for the cow and the two big goats, and fill it up and see how it works. And I'll pay him a little extra for his delivery, and give him some free citrus. For now, better get the air compressor started. I turn it off, so it's gonna get loud. Here's a trick: soapy water, air, tire. I'm gonna air this up, and then I'm gonna put some soapy water on it. We're gonna find that leak. Yeah, I need my glasses to see these small. There, I think it's 35. 35. Okay. So let's find it. It might be through the bell stem. Other sidewall. Not seeing bubbles. I'm thinking it's on the side. Still not seeing a whole lot of bubbles. But it's so slow that it's not that big of a deal. I feel like I should still see it. There's a little concentration right there. I think I found it. Oh yeah. There it is. You see how it's just actively, you'll get all these bubbles over here like that, but it's definitely right there. And you see it right there. It's right where that tread, this portion right here is down in the bottom. And you can actually feel a little lift under that tread right there. The more I pump air into this, the more we'll see it. So I kind of overinflated it, and that is for sure the spot. And I don't know what's in there. It could be citrus thorn, I don't know. Let's see if there's any other spots. I don't see any. But that's that spot right there. It's the same one. You can't actually hear it. And now we know where it's at. I'm gonna go get it dirty and we're gonna forget. But now I know I can take this tire off, and I might have a warranty. I don't know. But if not, it isn't a huge deal. I can still use this tractor daily, and we'll see how long it gets me, but it'll hold air for a week and we'll be good. So now we're going to use this to carry that feeder and put a bale in it. And I was thinking about putting the rake on the back to rake up the yard, but I might not, I don't know yet. Hit the fence with the gate with the tractor, and now I actually can go both ways. So kind of mad that I did that, but it tweaked it enough where I can actually push and pull that gate. Uh-oh, I have a customer. Sure do. Here's that new feeder. Kind of small. They're coming in too. Yeah, we got a customer. We're not really selling today, but we left the signs out so people are. It's a lot smaller. And if you notice over there, the other feeder.